So, you just became a life coach and you want to go out there and find your first clients? Well, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first 10K paydays where they're able to go out there and generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing businesses, right, every single month in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about the 3-step selling system that we talk about and we use and have our clients use over here at Life Coach Launch, which is going to not only help you get your first clients, but is also going to be helping you as a life coach sign up new paying clients for your life coaching business every single week. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right. Before we go into this 3-step selling system, let's first talk about why you as a life coach is going to get paid to begin with, right? Why is someone going to come to you and want to pay you money, right, to get your life coaching services so that they can get your help? And the truth is as a coach, you're going to be a guide. You're going to help people not only solve problems, but help them get to their goals and their desires a lot faster than if they weren't going to hire you to begin with. So think about it like this, right? You're meeting your clients, your future clients, and they're like here, and they want to get here. And you as a coach, you're going to play that guide to help them alleviate, get around any problems or any obstacles that they might have so that they can get to their goals and their desires. And ultimately, the reason you're going to get paid is you're going to get paid because those people are going to hire you to not only help them get to those goals and desires, but a lot of times you're going to be able to help them get there a lot faster. Before I go into this 3-step selling system that we use over here at Life Coach Launch, it's going to help you go out there and get your first clients and your next clients and clients every single week as a life coach. I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers so they can go out there and create their first or next 10K paydays where they can go out there and generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing businesses using profitable presentations every 30 days or less. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so the first thing that we really discussed inside the Life Coach Launch system, which is all around, right, creating successful and profitable presentations where you can go out there and demonstrate how you can help people by actually helping them every week, is we need to identify who it is that we're wanting to help and serve, what problem they have, and ultimately, right, creating an irresistible life coaching offer that they're going to be so irresistible, they're going to feel absolutely stupid at saying no to it. So what we want to make sure that we do is the first thing is that we pick a perfect profitable niche. Us as a life coach is right, the niches that we're going to serve is we got to look at the 3 core markets, right? As a life coach, we're going to be helping people solve problems in their life, but life coaches are going to be solving problems around 3 core markets. Those 3 core markets are going to be health, wealth, and relationships, and we want to make sure that when we go out there and we pick a perfect profitable niche inside one of those core, those 3 core markets, that we pick a perfect profitable niche that is going to be a group of people that have a common problem that we can solve. When we go out there and we find that perfect profitable niche, we're going to be able to go out there and talk to those people on a daily basis, let those people know who we are, how we can help them, and specifically give them opportunities to start getting our help, which is going to be coming to our perfect profitable presentations. Those profitable presentations are going to be then have people at them. They're going to be people who need our help and are going to get our help at those profitable presentations. And then at the end of that profitable presentation, we're going to be able to present with them that life coaching offer that is going to give them the opportunity to reach that goal that they have. The next piece of this selling system that we teach over here at Life Coach Launch is going to be what we classify as presentation. So the first one's identification, and then the next one's going to be presentation. We're putting on profitable presentations, right, where we're able to go out there and successfully put on a profitable presentation where we go out there to a bunch of people and we present to them and we demonstrate to them exactly how we can help them by actually helping them. And then we sign up people at the end of that profitable presentation who need our help so that they can continue getting our help and pay us as life coaches to get that help with the problems that they have. So what we want to do when we're looking to put on a profitable presentation is we first need to identify what type of presentation we're going to put on. Are we going to put on a workshop, a challenge? Are we going to be a live event? Is it going to be a summit, or maybe it's going to be a masterclass? What is it going to be? And then what we want to do is we're going to make sure we pick a date, right? We need to pick a date on when this profitable presentation is going to be, and of course who it is we're going to help and all of that. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to reach out to everybody. Simply just reach out to everybody that we know and let them know that, hey, on this date, I'm putting on this profitable presentation, and guess what? I want you to come because I think it can help you. And then what we want to make sure that we do is simply just show up. We need to show up, and yes, I can give you slides. Yes, I can give you things that you can do during that profitable presentation that can enhance it, that can make it a little bit better, that might be able to get you to sign up more people. But the initial thing we want to do is we want to show up and we want to help people. We want to get the people that are there. We want to help those people that are there get help that they need, so that at the end of that profitable presentation, those people who got that help will be wanting and teed up for you, ready to work with you more, so that you can ask them if they'd like to work for you more, and that multiple ones that are at that presentation will say yes. All right, so the last piece of this selling system is what we classify as impact. And the impact piece is where you go out there and you create a legacy, you sign up more people, you help more people, and ultimately you create more impact in the marketplace as a life coach. Ultimately being able to not only, make more money, but also be able to help more people and create more influence as a life coach. And how do we do that? Well, we consistently go out there and put on profitable presentations where we're demonstrating to more and more people each and every week, so that when we're out there demonstrating to those people, more and more people can actually get our help. And whether they're paying us to get our help or not, we're actually able to help more people. And when we help more people, right, part of helping more people, right, the byproduct of that is going to be that more people see us, more people want to get our help, and ultimately more people are going to pay us. Are you a brand new life coach looking to go out there and sign up new clients quickly? Well, I just got done with a brand new free report which talks about the 10 hottest and winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace right now. This report is going to go over the 10 hottest and most profitable life coaching niches that are out there right now that you can use and you can leverage inside your life coaching business to make more money quickly. Just make sure to click on that link down there in the description and grab my brand new free report that I made just for you, that is going to go over with you exactly what the top 10 life coaching niches are right now in the marketplace, making the most money, and how specifically you can use them in your business. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today. I know you choose to win, because you're going to click on that link down there in the description and you're going to get started on creating and generating your first 10K payday by going out there and picking a perfect profitable niche down there in that free report down there below. We'll see you in the next video.